I'm Adrian Ramsay from Adrian Ramsay Design House, and I want to show you this really special home I designed a couple of years ago. It was a new build, it was an empty block when we started, and we were able to create something really special together. So let's take a look. So Heather, you've been in the house a couple of years now. Tell me what you changed.
Do you know what, in all honesty, I don't think there's anything I'd change.
I remember some conversations with you and Glenn about screening. That was a big one, because Glenn gets eaten. And
yes.
Heather and I both live outdoors if we
yes.
get a chance. And so we had this big compromise there. How's it working with the screening? How's that?
Look, as a practical, everyday situation, the screening works is great, and you still get all your air through and so forth like that. But at the same time, if we're having a party or anything, you just open everything up.
I remember this day you saying to me, well, why can't I just have louvers everywhere? I said, well, you're going to push your price up, you know, budget. And you said, well, I want to look at what it's like. And we ended up with a home that has doors and louvers. And nothing else.
Nope.
Tell me about living like that.
It is wonderful. It is absolutely wonderful. And we've never, ever had air conditioning on in this house in summer.
That's amazing.
And Glenn had a conversation with some of his friends on a particularly hot day one day and saying we don't turn the air conditioning on, and they wouldn't believe him. They really wouldn't believe him. It just works beautiful.
Oh, I love it.
And the louvers, it doesn't matter what the weather's like, you can always have a window open.
I think this was one of my first homes I designed that had a courtyard. How is it living with a courtyard?
It's beautiful. Yeah. And you just feel you've got that inside out sensation wherever we are in the house, whether we're in our bedroom or in this living room or Glenn in his study.
Yep.
I sometimes suspect he's not really working, he's just sitting looking out at the courtyard.
He's daydreaming again.
I had a very clear vision of what I wanted as far as a basic floor plan was concerned. You're the one who made it into an interesting...
Started playing with the space.
Yeah, and you played with the spaces and your angles and the way the house is at the front. It's become a stylish house.
So Heather, thank you so much, and thank you guys for coming on our little journey through Heather and Glenn's wonderful home. And from there, over and out. Cheers.
Thank you, Adrian, for everything.
You're welcome.